Hello, today we would like to show you a sneak peek of Advanced Recorder, the new functionality to enhance your productivity on script creation. Let's start with scripts and click Add. To define a new test case, we're going to record on finance and operations. I'm going to do a free text invoice recording on the standard environment, update 40, and the virtual user, so Active Directory user for recording. And then the ellipses and start with Advanced Recorder. So the new journey just begins. Left-hand side, and this is it. This is the Advanced Recorder. So on the left-hand side, we've got a new panel. On the right side, we've got this working area where we see exact link to the application which we are connecting in. And on the left-hand side, we're going to see all steps that we are going to identify. So all selections or clicking on the buttons, they will be here and they will be fully movable. They are flexible, you can say. So let's record. Let's start with module selection and navigating to free text invoice. One of the key goals we had in mind when we were developing Advanced Recorder was to help you keep the context of the business process, to not lose it within recording, because prior to this version, you had to record and then play back and then verify and do it once again over and over to have one end-to-end complex scenario. In here, you are able to build it very efficiently. Let's say I've done some changes. I would like to change a little bit right now my process. I'm able on the fly to go inside, edit it, and instead of using customer US 02, I'm going to use it with 05. I'm able to change main account, even though I haven't played back the process yet. Let's save it right now. And let's say, all right, let's check it if this is consistent. I can simply switch back to player and play it back to see if till now the process is possible for reproduction. System switching, reloading the site, and then the execution will be done. One of the key difference, aside of the UI and the functionalities with embedded, is the efficiency and the engine behind it. The engine was rebuilt, and right now the execution is even faster. The types and the XPath selections, they are done in parallel. So as you may see and compare, it is a significant milestone for us. As we see, we came up to the end. Everything is consistent. So I can switch back to recorder and continue the process to add another portion of the steps. So let's continue with description. Implementation process. And with these few elements, I'm able to set up maybe some bank account. This one is empty, so simply delete. Delete the step, and free text invoice header maybe as well. With this being said, I can post and finalize the process. Of course, on every step which is visible, discussing the documentation and trainings, you are able to add comments. So on the fly, when you were inputting data, you were able to put very extensive descriptions of every step and functionality that we utilize. So it takes a few moments for posting, and the process is complete. Aside of changing data, aside of making some steps optional, delete them to have very clean recording, you are able to go forward. You are able to do one more step. Assign the document, which is in this case the Excel file, and build a scenario which will have few iterations in it. It can actually import data. The Excel file can be an extension to build an end-to-end scenario with different customers, with different main accounts. So a very comprehensive verification. Right after posting, I would like to verify the statuses because the testing is all about checking the results. So I'm going to use quick inspection button to see if the operation was completed. So I'm expecting this exact info log. I'm going to save this as a variable, and I'm going to create this inspect with a quick condition. So let's verify if the inspection value is equal to operation completed. If yes, continue. Otherwise, create a bug in DevOps. Of course, this is just my text. It doesn't do it automatically, but we're able to include that as well. And variable, this will be info from posting. And with this setup, system goes and takes the value, save, and then verify the complexity and verify the results of the process. Finally, when everything is here, I can switch back again to player and play it back. Of course, right now I'm playing back in foreground. I'm able to play back this in background. I'm able to jump in to the application. I just need to go backwards to play it from the beginning. And this entire process is just simplifying and helping you be very productive to create your test cases on time, to make sure that the one version will be a never frightening experience for you. Thank you so much, and let's stay in touch over the webinars or trials, certifications, and sessions we organize for our partners and customers.